Hello everyone, welcome to this C++ full course. In this video, I'll give you a quick introduction to what C++ is, a short history of C++, and why learning C++ is a smart choice for anyone interested in programming. Whether you're completely new to programming or looking to add a powerful language to your skill set, this video is for you. C++ is a high-level, general-purpose programming language that also gives you low-level control over your computer's hardware. It is widely used for game development, system software, desktop applications, high-performance applications like finance and scientific computing. C++ supports multiple programming styles, including procedural programming, object-oriented programming, generic programming. This makes it a very versatile and powerful language. C++ was created in 1979 by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs. It started as an extension of the C programming language, adding object-oriented features while keeping C's efficiency and flexibility. Over the years, C++ has evolved with new standards like C++98, C++11, C++14, C++17, and C++20, making it even more powerful and easier to use. Today, C++ remains one of the most widely used programming languages, especially in industries where performance is critical. So why should you learn C++? High performance. C++ is fast and efficient, which is why it's used in systems programming, game engines, and real-time simulations. Foundation for other languages. Learning C++ helps you understand the core concepts of programming, making it easier to learn other languages later. Versatility. You can use C++ to build games, desktop applications, operating systems, and even parts of mobile apps. In-demand skills. Many top tech companies require C++ knowledge for software development, game programming, and high-performance computing. To sum it up, C++ is powerful, versatile, and timeless. It provides a solid foundation for programming, while giving you the tools to create high-performance applications. If you want to become a strong programmer or work in game development, systems programming, or software engineering, learning C++ is a smart choice. In the next video, we'll start exploring C++ step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.